Hi everyone, I am Mahadev Gott, lecturer, Department of Botany, Koteshwara College, Kottur. Yes, after the lockdown, BSc 6 and remaining practical part, 6.1 remaining practical part, photographs of scientists. In this related, major three scientists, one is Dr. Lalji Singh, today about introduction about Dr. Lalji Singh, and Alex Jafaris and Har Gobind Quran. Okay, from three scientists today discussing about the three scientists. First one is Dr. Lalji Singh. He was an Indian scientist, a famous Indian scientist. He was a father of Indian DNA fingerprinting technology. Okay, his first worked on DNA fingerprinting technology in India. After its discovering DNA technology, and he explained the molecular basis of inheritance. Okay, he explained the molecular basis of sex determination and molecular basis of inheritance and wildlife conservation. He also interested on wildlife, and it's how to conserve the wildlife and how to protect the wildlife. And another one, after its developing DNA fingerprinting technology, used the widely used in forensic science, and its evolution of migration of humans. How to migrate humans from place to another place? What are the main physical factors to migrating purpose? Okay, these processes and another one, this type of matter and explain and discovery and discussing and theses are also exhibited by Dr. Lalji Singh. He was a famous Indian scientist. Okay, and another one in 2004. In 2004, he received a Padma Shri Award in India. India is first Padma Shri Award praises Dr. Lalji Singh. Is an Indian molecular biologist. He was majorly molecular biologist. Next, another one, Dr. Lalji Singh expressed and its releases thoughts, and he wrote down some books. You deserve, we conserve. It's a major, his first book, and it's released in 2007. Okay, this book is released in 2007. He wrote on you deserve and we conserve, how to conserve the lives, how to deserve it, and another one he expressed in the life conservation in this book. Okay, and another one, next, depend upon the thesis, and Dr. Lalji Singh, he basically molecular biologist, he explained the DNA fingerprinting technology and wrote the separate book, and the Witness Within 2012 is one of the book, DNA fingerprinting book, and also explained this concept about Dr. Lalji Singh. Okay, that's enough. Another one, show the Dr. Lalji Singh photos. Another one, scientist Alex Jeffries. Okay, we already know Alex Jeffries. About he born in 19 January 1950, 9 January 1950. He is a British scientist. Okay, he developed techniques for genetic fingerprinting and DNA profiling. Basis on these techniques, the increasing police for used in police for the fingerprinting technology for identification of thieves in forensic technology, forensic science, and is helpful for the forensic science development. And he constructs various components. Another one, he discovered different types of materials about genetics. And another one, he made a thesis. Okay, these theses are study on mitochondria of cultured mammalian. Okay, the first thesis, the Alex Jeffries wrote on the thesis. study on mitochondria of cultured mammalian. Okay, it is one of the thesis. Based on the thesis and explain the structure of mitochondria in cultured mammalian and detailed study about mitochondria in cultured mammalian in this thesis. And also we got more awards, more awards and beneficial applications and aspects of genetics. Genetics is in one of the greatest genetics, and he gives more contribute to the socials and another one science. So socials and science, and another one you get awards, bioscientific medals, okay, bioscientific medal, and Coldworth Medal. Coldworth Medal is a famous award in British. Okay, it's a British science genetist. Okay, in biocentenary medal and Coldworth Medal. You get these medals and awards by the British government. Okay, he is a famous genetist. Okay, show the diagram, show the picture of Alec Jeffries. Another one scientist, R. Gobind Koran. He was an Indian American biochemist. Okay, the forefathers live in India, but Indian American biochemist. He demonstrated the role of nucleotides in protein synthesis. How to synthesize the protein? Okay, nucleotides in protein. Okay, nucleotides in protein. How to demonstrate role of nucleotides in protein synthesis? What are the role of nucleotides in protein synthesis? You already know about nucleotides. Okay, and nucleosides. He explained the protein synthesis and protein factors by the nucleotides, and he shared. Okay, he explained more amount of nucleotides. Another one is demonstrated the rules, and he shared the Nobel Prize. Okay, he shared the Nobel Prize for physiology and medicine in 1968 with Marshall and Nielsen-Bohr. Okay, he got a Nobel Prize. Very important. Gobind Koran is Nobel Prize. He got Nobel Prize, and in 1968, he was the first scientist to chemical synthesize oligonucleotides. That is a major concept. He was the first scientist to chemically synthesize the oligonucleotides. Very important. Oligonucleotides are first synthesized by using chemicals. And another one, he synthesized the first synthetic genes. Okay, by using chemical substance and other chemical factors and chemical substance. Using chemical substance, first synthesize the word synthetic gene first introduced by R. Gobind Koran. He get more number of awards. He got more number of awards, and majorly Nobel Prize got in 1968. Okay, I show the R. Gobind Koran picture.